Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Missed Call on bass step by step. Begin by listening closely to the recording and count the beats silently. Hum the missed call riff until it sticks, then find the root note on the E or a string. Mark the accents with a metronome at a slow tempo and practice short loops focusing on timing and tone until the riff feels natural. Work on right hand control by alternating finger and pick strokes and observe which sound matches the song. Learn the note sequence on one string first, then expand across strings for smoother shifts. Practice the riff in 8-bar loops and add dynamics by varying attack and palm muting pressure. Focus on consistent timing, crisp articulation, and relaxed posture to avoid tension during faster sections. If this lesson is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your practice space clean with smart voice control and effortless pickup, so you spend more minutes playing and less minutes sweeping. It's surprisingly satisfying to come home to a tidy room. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange the part to fit the song by placing the missed call riff where it complements vocals and drums. Start with a pared-down version to secure the groove, then layer small fills and octave jumps for variety. Use looped sections to build muscle memory and gradually raise the tempo while keeping accuracy. Regular short sessions beat long, fatigued practices, so prioritize consistency and mindful repetition for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.